hope you know say in as much as our election are the most expensive election for the history of Nigeria, hope you know say we not use 50% of that vote.
Yes.
Godwin, are you aware?
30% to use now.
30% now we use like 30 something.
40%, about 40%.
No,
you're gonna 30 something million be the total.
30 something million
out of 80 something vote. That means
votes. We not use
now
like
about 40%.
Yeah, let me just say the 40% now we use when the parties share between themselves, which include PDP, APC, and the other small party. So that at one point say will be the problem because people not they vote, but you they want question leader whether they do right or if they do wrong. Now using Lagos, you know, say as Lagos even big reach so eligible voters now over 5 million, I think 6 million. People when they don't collect their PVC is around I think 4 million. I think so.
For Lagos
2019 because those numbers are supposed to increase now.
Eligible voters for Lagos now 6 million.
Yeah, eligible voter, but those when don't collect their PVC as of 2019 at the comment day 100% now around over 5 million, which were more than 1 million never collect. You get me? Guess how many people vote for last Lagos state election?
Less than 2 million now.
1.something million.
Exactly.
1.something million. Then when time reach to question governor, you go to draw governor. When you know vote, when you not make decision to put the governor for there.
See the way I invitation,
but not true because most time if not to drag governor is not doing well. Did you vote for him?
Wait, but you need to
vote against him.
You need to find out the reason why people they even collect PVC.
Not to do
so many reasons of
identification.
Number one, identification. Number two, just in case you reach one time in Nigeria, they go say, if you don't get PVC, you know if you collect this money, you know if you enter bank, you know if you do this thing. That one another reason. The third reason, some people they say, "Oh, just get and keep, but we know say our vote no."
They no go ever vote.
They no go. You get the one you go say, more just collect and keep, just in case they say, everybody state one they share money.
Yeah, you go your state, go collect.
Then you get some we don't collect and maybe they just keep them, but they plan to come out of the country. And before election, they don't come out. So if you remove from the 80 million people we get TVC as another
first 80 million, 84 million people we get. 11 million at that time never collect.
Okay.
So remaining 72. Out of that 72, now
so
break down.
After that 72,
for Nigeria,
you get the ones who don't relocate come on for this country.
One,
they carry their PVC go.
Follow body.
You get the one where you collect, but they say they don't vote because their vote don't count. Those ones did there. You get the way you get them as form of ID card, and in case government won't share money,
those ones did there. They don't go vote.
Those ones did there. Then you get the ones where you say just collect them. They no fit go vote because of health reasons.
Or maybe their location different from their
old
polling
people when no fit come out for house. Their children just help them get them. All those ones. Then the real ones we won't come vote. Now that one you come say, I mean the remnants will remain. Even after that one, those one it depends on their mood that day. If they wake up, say
they should go
on one place. They
don't want to go.
The man go tell your children, stay at home.
Exactly.
Nobody go anywhere.
Yeah.
My papa na one of such people. The moment he hear say, "Wahala, they stay out," so because those people where they will fight that their children know they there. So by the time you check and you go sit down at 30 something million people don't vote. So if you count all these plenty people we don't.
Article from president, we current president vote not reach 30 million.
No, na 15 point something million he get that time.
Yeah, he get 15.1 million. I think he get 11 points.
Exactly, 20 something.
He lost reach 30 million.
There are many ones where go and then gonna be 30 something for all of them. Yes, now because I don't people they when they
out
vote.
Out of 72 when we say they collect voters card.
Yeah, because now they tell you so because a lot of people they collect voters card.
Then we don't have right to question any leader won't.
If I tell you say I belong to political party, you go believe. You know, so I get political, I get card that be card carry member of one political party. I know if you name them.
Mention them. Yeah.
Why? Because you go on that they say everybody join political party. My mother-in-law say, I take go beg you just in case tomorrow then say who no get party no go fit access this thing. I mean I go local government go
for the benefit of our not to participate.
I never go to the secretariat one day. I don't even know be the plenty chairman for Lagos. I know but the political party member.
Be the problem of this country.
Also all these meetings plus conventions where they do never even show up before.
Convention you phone news. But this can't membership why you keep for us tomorrow. If they say today now,
so but our convention they come up. No, why you not attend?
Our convention, I don't know my party. I don't know my party. You don't even know my party whether we get convention or not. So if they talk that say everybody in the next 24 hours, send your registration whatever for political party. They give everybody 1 million. No, don't lose that.
Even my grandmother said they party. I tell you. you.
With your grandmother.
My grandmother. Yes, she be membership of one of the parties.
I believe that, you know. You don't know Nigerians who get international passport when they plan to travel.
Yeah. When you use that for other
The
stuff.
passport go expire after 5 years. They'll go to another.
Just for means of identification.
Just get in case time reach travel.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Now the same thing with voters card.
You know why they talk this thing right now? You know, continuous voter registration, they go on for a while. And I think according to the last data where INEC released, they said they don't register, I think, close to 20 million new people. That adding that to this one right now, we get over 1.something million. 100 and something million people when supposed vote 2023. I think now about time we start to enlighten people, say if you not vote, you join the problem
of the country.
We go face the next 4 years. Because you not voting, you don't already make a choice not to contribute to this country.
But another thing also, the system need to encourage person to
vote. Yeah.
Because now with the year things of every time they finish election, they don't run go court, go they challenge them. They go say they rig the election. They go say malpractice day. The two we go fit solve and to a larger extent, be electoral reform. President no green sign.
You hear the new excuse when they try give right now. You don't they go 1 week 30 days go reach. You go say one return them again.
Exactly. So now
they could say they not fit use them again.
So now if you no put electoral reform where they fit, I mean we don't see samples of elections where they don't do.
Recent state election.
So you get some people who feel like say until they do make it more transparent. I don't waste my time. Because some people manipulate the figure or something. It gets some people they think like that.
Yes, but we need to change
many
that
factors
mindset.
they why we know they see the crowd come and come vote. And that's major factor why people didn't come and come vote. Now security.
The gunshot.
Imagine what happened for that mile too. I got Palace with that time that last election. What they say then kill people, then shoot people, run up and down. You understand? Especially one that particular area where they feel say Eastern voters plenty. And they say those people won't support another candidate. They can't cause problem for that place. Everybody stay in house. People no come out.
I think this one say contribute to the reason why they turn out.
Another person they give his own reason. He say our PVC no dey sophisticated enough. He say imagine say you register for Lagos, but the day of election you no come dey Lagos. You no go fit vote for another state. So wetin be the need of the possession of the PVC?
So this now where I be think say if they talk about, I don't know how this electoral reform new one really be, whether include you voting anywhere when you see yourself. But I remember last time I not fit vote because I did
like
Lagos
me now,
and I been here for register.
My own too now Ibadan I register and now I dey Lagos.
So
you
I
no
think
fit use
it's
am for
about
Lagos.
time you can vote anywhere when it comes to presidential election.
The reason why you don't fit do me vote anywhere.
Why? Because not be computer based.
Yeah.
So we need to go down
not only
level.
computer go fit tell say this person don't vote before. You understand? So if first because otherwise somebody wait come on for Lagos.
But we have a database now. They only say they not agree recognize.
They don't even get access to the database. That is, if I go Kaduna for now, they can't tell me say okay, my PVC if you allow me vote for Kaduna.
God.
If I vote for Kaduna, if by some crook or by some hook, I feel still find my way to Lagos that same day. I go vote because for Lagos they don't know say I don't vote for Kaduna.
So how hard it be to access our database of all the voters?
And then they know say you don't do international passport for Lagos. You know if you
now they talk.
Because if once everything done dey inside system, they
you
link
fit access am with
but so they no want maybe like that. The excuse they maybe say some parts of the country no get development, some part of the country no get network, some no the.
But those people too, they are among the citizens wey suppose vote.
My own be say any part of the country where you know say all those things no fit technology never reach. Do the manual one. Where you know say technology do
the technology for
start
them.
to improve. Okay, for instance, we no go talk say because say some part of this country now network never reach. We know they use GSM for Lagos.
Yeah.
God will not lie. No, I'm not sure say you get any place for this country when network no they actually.
But now the excuse that they give.
That's just an excuse though.
Now the excuse that they give now they tell you
so. Kidnapper go dey the party make call.
They will tell you so those ones they use wetin be that
satellite phone.
Satellite phone.
Walkie-talkie. Now walkie-talkie they use. Now wetin they go tell you.
Now we be ourselves problem. That's just the truth. 2020 is around the corner. We need a lot of people to get
It gets certain things for this country where the leaders they make sure say it no go work because now the only way they go continue to
true.
I'll give you an instance now.
True.
You know, say if you come on for either if you arrest you for Lagos, prosecute you find you guilty, you serve jail time for Lagos. If you come out, if you go Kaduna, if you want travel now, maybe they're going to say go bring police report say they never
arrest you before or
if
jail
you go
before.
Kaduna, collect police report there, they're not going to see they don't jail you for
because na paperwork we dey do now.
Exactly.
Police wey no.
Everything's about the inside system, but you not get centralized system. People when they know who they prison, who know they prison.
Exactly. So
because we dey recruit people wey don get sense. Yesterday, police some police officer enter Qatar. The woman you look me after I notice say nothing win argument. He say you be Yahoo boy. You be Yahoo boy. They don't tell me I can give birth to you. Now I say I can give birth to you. Now you want break my windscreen. Yeah. You get I dey look for fuel buy. So as I drive go from I come some people say fuel day here. Yeah. Now I use back to reverse go back. He said no, I must go from go reverse. I said oh God, before I come this life we don't.
You go tell am the fuel go don even finish for your car.
The next thing this guy carry
that they occupy the stick.
Plastic they knock my motor. That's okay. Now bet with this one. He said what's wrong with you? Now I drive enter. The next thing he come dey drag my plate number one pull am come out. So I not would like if I did something that was wrong, I entered reverse. Now gear one. I knew I was wrong, but as they pull my boot come out. Now so people come gather. So some people as they talk, some people come say I be Arab. So they tell me say me I can't. So why that my come ask with you? I can't explain to her. I say yes, he see everything when they happen. Say I for calm down. I say these people just they use that they are listening to the knock my motor. And my motor now don't.
Everything don't cost now. Don't get dots. Yeah.
So just to clear the matter, the man come dey tell me say, do you know I can give birth to you? Not say if I can give birth to you, you want spoil my motor. Wetin concern me concern.
Give me birth.
The woman you call, you look me.
Yeah, Yahoo boy.
You are a Yahoo boy. I know people like you. Look at you. So not be me who call it on one of my person when they listen to go. No, now rather be deserving Yahoo boy. So imagine a police officer when you call police officer, you look me, you conclude say I be Yahoo boy. Maybe because of my dread and my earrings. You get that small thing remember call me ritual.
Now for my parents they know criminal now for
Nigeria.
Yes
now, yeah. But we go another place. You know, so you see they talk about waiting. They make a lot of people vote despite collecting their PVC. This man where they got will in talk say the insecurity where they did for voting pool. To be precise, Bariga say fights they among touts. Say they always dey serious. Say the last time where he and his wife go try vote, he say his wife they injured for the voting pool. Say since then both of them don't talk. Say they know they go out go vote again. Say because of the injuries where his wife sustained.
So imagine this vote when supposed can't right now in selecting a good leader.
In fact, you know how voting supposed to be. They're supposed to say okay. Election, they vote for presidential election from the 1st to the 7th of February. And they're supposed to do one. So what I mean by that one, they say, if they go walk, if you just stop by, put your card, slot in, vote for who you want vote, they go. The whole week you get chance to vote.
No, they're not agree.
No, I tell you, so they're supposed to do one like that. Or put 3 days, 1st to 3rd, so that at your convenience, you get 3 days, make out, it doesn't have everybody to go the queue and everything. If everything they programmed, you go know see the no fit rig am, but they go tell you say even American election say China Russia hack.
They hack.
So it can't be. I hear one senator that talk say even American election was hacked by China. You see Nigeria. That why wouldn't they hack the
excuse?
Which interest Russia get here? We make the work hack
true.
the election. Russia they try to take too much away from America.
Except Russia won't go borrow money from us.
Which is not possible. Which is not possible.
When they use 92.6% of the revenue to pay debt.
Hello.
Now they want borrow money.
I know they said sarcasm.
No,
so now they want me work. They go let me.
They intentionally do
so this person to talk something where I really find say it makes sense. He say, for instance, say maybe look jam now. We just introduce their self-registration.
Yes.
Say the PVC own to feel work like that. So you don't need to go all the way. Make them do self-registration where you feel register yourself.
Say on top across the bridge when this NIN come up. What we suggest? Say make them link this NIN with our voters card.
Exactly.
And we will know say now one person to the card because you know say they go give example say person pay you to. So when your NIN dey link to the PVC, just the same way NIN dey link to your SIM card, right now. At least we go fit manage that area. You not get after 1 week. You hear wetin they talk. No, it's not necessary to link your NIN with your PVC. It's not something because it's already linked to wetin they call am again. Say it dey link to.
It's already to your BVN.
Your BVN is not that give excuse. You know why? Because they don't already know say if they do NIN linkage with PVC, problem go. The whole thing you get. So they know say some of all these things when we they ask for will actually give us credible election when go make us choose our desired leader. But because they know say not go benefit
at
them,
all.
They go make sure say they cut up.
So indirectly we still have a long way to go. A very long way to go.
As long as we still get the same recycled leaders. Not the same thing.
All right, so maybe move to the next one before we go. Yeah, this man's tweet, he actually trended for Twitter yesterday. So you get one lady we first talk about the fact say she gets offer to go study for Finland.
Yeah.
You know, PhD. Yes. Yeah. So now when they do a course, she meets one guy. Where we say the guy and her come they do cleaning work, you know, as a side. Also after class they will go do cleaning work. So no, before she get PhD, she go do masters. So now doing the masters, we're doing that cleaning. They meet each other. So she can't get offer cleaners to go do a PhD for another country. So I think like she gets scholarship for another country. So she can't talk to her, say she can't tell the guy, say make the guy to find the way come Canada. Now from Finland to Canada, say because they do a PhD there. Say the guy na person will really like her so much. Say but unfortunately the guy don't come meet him for Canada. So she continued with her PhD in the long run. So for a very long time she stayed single. She don't see another person, you know. But after some time, say she can't see another person. So she just tried to tell women, say for those where they do PhD, say make they no fit, say they no go fit see love. Same time don't go blah blah blah. So now from that place, the conversation, this man, Naija watch for Twitter, come put in. You can say, thank God my missus did not have this kind of mindset. I was broke. I had nothing. And she still believed in me and lifted me. And this is why I tell my side chicks that no matter how you sweet rich, I will never leave my wife.
The man are idiot. Firstly,
so in the only thing side chick. The man admits he gets side chick. Chicks. So you notice why you go see the tweet.
So a lot of people drag this guy, but you don't care.
So they drag her based on the side chick comment, Abi.
Yeah, say for woman, the woman stay with you. But you still get guns to go get not beside chicks. Side chicks. So when you tell them, it's not how he's sweet.
The man a foolish man.
Firstly, God.
Because no, if she really means so much to you, you know, get side chick.
Try and put that sacrifice on the woman.
Yeah, you will stay with her.
But first, God, we need to understand. Maybe not cruise in the car because Twitter and mad people from there. Then secondly, too, I know say most of us not the day okay with our truth. You get me? If it still be a truth, if it be with the knowledge of your wife, now they do all this thing. But you shall just let the side chick know, say, my wife, I will never leave her, but I'll still the.
You know, they
at
least he talk truth.
You get men like that, we get plenty side chicks.
You know, where he talk. When somebody talks, say, on top of how amazing your missus is, you still have side pieces now. Wow. He say, it is how God wired those men.
So
this man.
In the man and in the wire like that. see, if he gets some men, but he gets some men, he go to say, look, no matter where I play, go. I must come back to meet my wife because she's there with me. I think said the ultimate sacrifice and show of love what you do for your wife now. Make you no share them with anybody else.
Godwin, I think this will be a topic for another day. Can men really stay in marriage without cheating? Yeah, more discuss may not, and I would like one discuss more leave our
open conversation.
More leave our hypocrisy for us when they come that they won't talk truth. Really, you get. Yeah, but it is us.
Before I say the participant content, the man say he no get shame. He say his shame died a long time ago.
Who killed his shame?
Where this man get at the animal?
The man commit murder to his shame.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.